Hello everybody, this is Moses from Out There Gardens, and this is episode 189 of Gardening Without Edits. Let me show you something here that I filmed before when I noticed, but then I deleted it because I don't want to give misinformation. I just wanted to see, if what I thought was correct, and I think what I thought is correct. This is one of my apples right here. Right away, you gotta start. Okay, the last episode we did castles. I showed the castles, okay? So the last episode I talked about that I'm going to film episode 189, and that was about these apple trees. And I always get fire blight issues, and I've grafted probably 12 varieties. Some do extremely well, some don't. And I have a test variety that's planted named Liberty. But about a month ago, I noticed something, that my pink lady graft right here, I have a pink lady tree too as well. It's grafted over, not grafted, it's on the side of the house. There's other varieties grafted to that. But I graft, okay, I'll film in a second. I grafted this pink lady. From that tree I cut one and I grafted it right here. This pink lady is an early bloomer, and it blooms when my Bradford pear, or not my Bradford pear trees, but the trees around me, the Bradford pears, they bloom as well, and they get fire blight like crazy. So when this bloomed, look what happens. The most issues with fire blight, the most. The other varieties don't look like this. So you can see some of the varieties don't look as crunchy. Okay, this stemmed from this getting fire blight first because it was blooming when the others Bradfords that are infected bloomed. But you can see some varieties can still make it. You see the apples? Some are not going to make it on there, but some will. Okay? Now, there's some varieties that I have that are full bloom, and they're doing quite well. Okay, but there are late bloomers. I have to get rid of my early bloomers. So this tree, or this branch, will be cut here, unfortunately, because I love Pink Lady or Crisp Pink. I think they're the same name. And my pink lady that's on the side of the house will be cut down a bit. And when the new shoots come out, I'm going to graft other varieties that I know make it. So here's another apple tree right here. And this variety usually makes it, but this variety bloomed early like the pink lady, and look what's going on. So I don't know, some make it. This is a Granny Smith right here. Some make it and some don't. I don't know, everybody. So this has King David on it as well. And I don't know if I could find the King Davids right now. There's so many grafts. King David is pretty good though with the fire blight. But look, you see all just the death. You know, all my apples, almost all of them. And the Liberty is right here. This one is hopefully gonna be my saving grace. So this is only gonna be kept about 4 feet high, and I'm gonna keep cutting scions from this to plug into these trees. And I'm gonna remove every variety that doesn't work. And there's my daughter. Always working, that little one. Happy gardening, everybody. You know, it's not easy. It's not easy, but you'll always get up some fruit. But it's not easy. Happy gardening. Bye.